this is the last case, that is case 5 in calculating new profit sharing ratio. So in this case 5, they will give you the information regarding sacrifice ratio, and they have given they will give only sacrifice ratio along with new partner share and old ratio. So in this case they will give you what? Sacrifice ratio. See, when they will give sacrifice share, that will become the case 1. Remember, case 1 they have given old ratio, as well as along with the old ratio they have given this one. They have given a share sacrificed. If they have given in the proportion form, then directly you can do old ratio minus a share sacrificed, you will get the new ratio. But in case 5, they will not give you share sacrificed. Instead of that, they will give you sacrifice ratio. When they will give ratio, you need to convert that into proportion, and then only you can do subtract from the old ratio. For that, formula is share sacrificed is equal to sacrifice ratio into new partner's share. So first step, here you need to do 2 steps. First step is related to calculation of share sacrificed. So share sacrificed is equal to sacrifice ratio into new partner's share. This is the first step. After getting share sacrificed, next the regular formula to find out new share, that is new share is equal to old share minus share sacrificed. Old share minus share sacrificed. By this way, you need to find out new profit sharing ratio. Let us understand this case with the help of one problem. A and B are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3. The ratio of 5:3. This is considered as old ratio. They admit C into partnership and offer him 1/6 share. 1/6 share is new partner share, that will come here, new partner share, which he acquires in the ratio of 3:1. See here, acquires in the proportion of, if they have given is, that will be different case, but here he acquires in the ratio of they have given, that is 3:1 from the old partners. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio. See here, for calculating new profit sharing ratio, there are slight changes in each case. So you should read the problem carefully, and then you need to find out new profit sharing ratio. See, if they have not given this, just they have given the proportion, means this case will not apply at all. That will come for case 1. Directly you can do this. Which one? Old share minus share sacrifice. But here they have given the ratio. So just go through the problem and read the problem carefully, and then you need to solve the problem. Okay, so let us start doing the problem. We are having here old ratio, new partner share and sacrifice ratio. First thing, we need to convert sacrifice ratio into share sacrificed. Let us write down what and all is given in the problem. First they have given old ratio. How much it is old ratio? 5:3. This is for A and this is for B. Next they have given new partner's share. New partner share is how much? It is 1/6. 1/6. New partner, who is this? New partner is C. Or else here I'll write sacrifice ratio. Sacrifice ratio. How much? 3:1. This is for A and this is for B. Next, new partners share. How much? 1/6. Here no need to find out remaining share and all, because it is not related to remaining share. They have given here new partner share, old ratio and sacrifice ratio. They only given sacrifice ratio. Need to convert that sacrifice ratio into share sacrificed. Okay, now we need to find out share sacrificed. Write the formula. Share sacrificed is equal to sacrifice ratio into new partner share into new partners share. Let us do for first partner. Who is the first partner? A's sacrifice ratio is equal to sacrifice ratio of A is how much? 3, right? It is 3:1 means it will come 3/4 and 1/4. And here old ratio 5/8 and 3/8. 5 plus 3 it will come 8. 5/8 and 3/8. Sacrifice ratio is equal to 3/4 into new partner share, that is 1/6. Next, B's sacrifice ratio is equal to how much? 1/4 into new partner share 1/6. What is the answer you will get now? 3 ones are 3, 4 6 are 24. 1 ones are 1, 4 6 are 24. So this is what share sacrifice. Now we need to find out what? New share. Write the formula for that. New share is equal to old share minus share sacrificed. Old share minus share sacrificed. Now write the name of all the partners A, B and C. A, B and C. Let us start with him. Old ratio of A is how much? We have written here. That is 5/8. 5/8 minus share sacrificed by A is how much? 3/24. So write here 3/24. And for B, old ratio is 3/8 minus share sacrifice is 1/24. 1/24. And for C, his share is given here. Write as it is. Later we can convert into common denominator and we can find out. Now, next step, what we need to do? Convert this into common denominator. Here we can take the highest denominator as a common denominator. Why? Can you tell me? Yes, 24 can be divisible from 8. Just check in the 8 table. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24. That means 24 can be divisible from 8. So you can take 24 as a common denominator. So 24 here. Now do it. Take your calculator and do it. 24 divided by 8. It will come 3. 3 5s are 15. Next, 24 divided by 24. It will come 1. 1 3s are 3. Next, again, here also 8 and 24. We can take 24 as a common denominator. Again, take your calculator. 24 divided by 8. It will come 3. 3 3s are 9. Minus 24 divided by 24. 1. 1 ones are 1. And here we need to leave this 1/6 as it is. Now, you can write here answer 15 minus 3. How much it will come? 12/24. Here it will come 9 minus 1. 8/24. Now, this 6 we need to convert into which one? 24. After converting 24, because these two are in 24 form. So 24. After writing the common denominator, now take your calculator. 24 divided by 6. How much it is? 6 4s are 24 and 4 1s are 4. 24 divided by 6. It will come how much? 4. 4 1s are 4. So now your new ratio came. To check, what you need to do? Add all the numerators 12 plus 8, it will come 20. 20 plus 4, 24. That means your new ratio is correct. Why? Because when you will add all these three, it will come to 24. Therefore, new ratio NPSR of A, B and C are 12 is to 8 is to 4. 12 is to 8 is to 4. You can simplify it. Can you simplify this? You can. Why? Because all the three can be divisible from which number? Even it can divisible from 2 also, or else you can take a higher number, that is from 4 it will go. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8 and 4 threes are 12. So the new profit sharing ratio, how much it will come? 3 is to 2 is to 1. 3 is to 2 is to 1. This is what the new profit sharing ratio of A, B and C. This is case 5. In this case 5, they will give you to calculate new profit sharing ratio, they will give you old ratio, sacrifice ratio. Remember, it is not sacrifice share. They have given sacrifice ratio and new partner share. When they will give sacrifice ratio, it comes under case 5. So, when the sacrifice ratio is given in the problem, you need to convert sacrifice ratio into share sacrificed. So, to convert that into share sacrificed, the formula is sacrifice ratio into new partner share. Sacrifice ratio into new partner share. Now, A sacrifice ratio is sacrifice ratio of A is 3 by 4 into new partner share is 1 by 6. When you will multiply with each other, you will get the answer 3 by 24 for A. Now, in the same way, we need to do for B also. So, for B's sacrifice ratio is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into new partner share, that is 1 by 6. It will come 1 ones are 1 and 4 6 are 24. So, now you got sacrifice share. After getting sacrifice share, apply the formula, write the formula, new share is equal to old share minus share sacrificed. Now write all the three partners name A, B and C. Now write the value for that. Old share of A is 5 by 8 minus share sacrificed is 3 by 24. B's old ratio is 3 by 8 minus share sacrificed is 1 by 24. And for C, whatever they have given in the problem, write as it is. Next, we need to convert this into common denominator. Why? Because we are doing here subtraction. So, write here 24. 24 we can take. Why? Because 24 is the highest denominator here and it can be divisible from 8. It is there in 8 table. So, you can take 24 as a common denominator. So, 24 if you have taken here, 24 divided by 8, it will come how much? 3. 3 5s are 15. Here 24 divided by 24, 1 will come, 1 3s are 3. So, your answer will come 15 minus 3 means it will come 12 by 24. Next, here also 24 is given. So, highest denominator as you have done here. So, you can take directly 24 as a denominator. 24 divided by 8, it will come 3. 3 3s are 9. Minus 24 divided by 24, it will come 1. 1 ones are 1. So, 9 minus 1, it will come 8. Next, 1 by 6, leave as it is. After writing this, next step, write it as subtract and write the answer here. Now, convert this 6 to 24. When you have taken 24 as a denominator, what you need to do? 24 divided by 6. It will come how much? 4. 4 ones are 4. After writing this, you need to check your answer whether it is correct or not. For that, what you need to do? Add all the numerators. So, 12 plus 8, it will come how much? 20. 20 plus 4, 24. That means the new profit sharing ratio, what you have done is correct. After that, write therefore NPSR or new profit sharing ratio of A, B and C are 12 is to 8 is to 4. But here all are even numbers. If they are even numbers, easily it can be divisible from 2, but check whether it is possible from higher number. So here it is, you can simplify these all the 3 number from 4. So simplify it. If you know to simplify, then only you can do it, or else don't do at all. So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, and 4 threes are 12. So your answer will come 3:2:1. So this is what how we will find out new profit sharing ratio under case 5. Either from this step you can change, like cross multiplication also you can do here. If you do cross multiplication also, you will get the answer. But the thing is, when you will do the cross multiplication, you will get big numbers. So first you need to multiply for this. 8 4s are 32, 8 2s are 8 2s are 16, 17, 18, 192. It will come in this way, but don't worry, you are having calculator, means you can do like this. So try to follow the first method only, what I have done. If you are doing this method also, you will get the answer, but the numbers will be more. Next, 24 into 5, right to left, 120, 24. Here, again you can take 192, cross multiplication. Here 1/6. Write the answer here itself. 6. by 192. Here you will get 464 by 192. Here you can convert this to 192. Take your calculator. 192 divided by 6. 192 divided by 6 means it will come how much? 32. Now add everything. 6 plus 4 20, 10, 10 plus 2 12, 1 in hand. Next 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 6 16, 16 plus 3 19. That means again you will get 192 only. This also is correct, but need to simplify this. 96 is to 64 is to 32 will come. It is a very big number, so need to change this and need to write it in a simplification form, means in which table it will go, that you need to do, and then again you will get the answer 3:2:1. So when you will do cross multiplication, the numbers what you are getting will be more. So try to follow this only, because they will give you easy only. So you can make out and you can write as a denominator, and then you need to find out. Here it will come 96, 64 and 32. I think it is divisible from 8. 8 12s are 8 8s are and 8 4s are, it will come 12, 10, 32 means 8 4s are. Again now you can simplify. 4 1s are, 4 2s are and 4 3s are. Again it will come 3:2:1. When you will follow this method, the problem will become to simplify this, because you will get big numbers and all. So better you can follow which method? First method, as I told, check the numbers, which is the highest number. If it is divisible from one more number, take that as a denominator and you can do it. If it is not possible, if this number, for example, if it is 5 here, then it is not possible from 8. 8 is not having 25 in that table. That time 25 into 8. Do it like that only. 25 into 8 and write here. Then whatever the answer you will get, that divided by 8. That means this number divided by denominator, divided by denominator you do, and into numerator. When you will do like this, obviously you will get the answer. You will get the simplification answer, or else you need to do like this only. 96, 64, 32 came. Again you need to reduce this, and again if you know the table only you can do it, or else it is difficult for you to do. So the better follow the first method what I have taught you. So understood this? This is the case 5. Now let us do one more problem to understand this in a better way.